Hear me out. If you're a fashion designer, you're a tailor, and you want to be a smart tailor, please, I want you to listen to what I'm about to say. If you don't listen, you will cry. So I've already told you guys the topic for today, which is how to be a smart tailor. But I want you to know this is the part 2. So if you've not watched the part 1, make sure you will go and watch my previous video, how to be a smart tailor part 1. So I'm going to be repeating what smartness is or smart is. Smart is using your common sense to solve your problems. Do you understand? So when you say you're a smart person, it literally means that you can actually solve your problem using your common sense. You must not find the solution somewhere. Do you understand? You can adjust at any time. That is what smartness is. Do you understand? So how to be a smart tailor part 2. I'm going to be using another example. So this example goes this way. So let's say a customer calls into your shop. And you know all these things that customers do now, they might show you styles for you to choose. You guys will be looking at it, analyzing. Do you understand? Then now it comes out like there are 2 styles. Your customer will tell you, hey, because I beg, get me and choose between these styles. Which one is better for me to sew? And let me give you an example now. Let me say something. When you check the first style is very, very complex for you to make. Do you understand? You might know it or you might not know it, but there is a little gaze in it with that first style. Then the second style is the one that you know very, very well. You can make it, you have been making it. While the other one, you have not been making it. But remember now, you're a pro, you can try to make it. Now, which one are you going to choose for that your customer? And why are you choosing it? Are you choosing it because it's the best or it's the finest? Are you choosing it because it will be simpler for you? Which one are you going to be choosing? Now, I want to see your answer in the comment section. Do you understand? Before we continue. Okay, so let's continue. Let me give you my own opinion. Please, I want you to know that this is actually my own opinion. For those of you that will be asking me, who am I to give you guys this opinion? Now, I want to let you know, my name is Wonka Chukwu, because if you go on Google and search me, you'll be able to understand why I'm here teaching you. Do you understand? I'm an author of The Perfect Dress Cutting Guide, a book that is known globally that will teach you how to cut and sew. In case you want your own, I want you to click on the first link on my bio. If you're on TikTok, if you're on other platform, just check below the video. You can be able to see it or in the comment section. Okay, now, what are you going to be doing? Now, what you are going to be doing is, in my own opinion, first of all, I know some of you will want to choose that complex one and hard one because you want to prove to your customer that I'm a bad dough, I'm so good though. Okay, so for me, what I will do is, I will choose that one that is simple that I can do. I know you are surprised. Now, why did I choose that particular one? Now, there is a secret that you guys don't know. Remember that your customer came into your shop for the first time, like that your customer, maybe I did not state this, the customer is the first timer. Do you understand? The customer came into your shop for the first time or into your office for the first time. What your duty is to satisfy that customer, not to show the customer that you can make any bad style, you can make any style, you can make difficult style. Please choose the one you know you can deliver very, very well. Remember the first time impression. You have to impress that customer that first time. Not showing the customer you can do. Okay, now let's say for example now you go and do that particular one that you're not so good at and you mess up. How will that customer see? Customer will see you as very, very inefficient somebody, as somebody that is very, very unreliable. But if you do the other one and satisfy the customer will give you more jobs. The customer will see you as reliable. That is why some customers are comparing you with some other amateurs. Do you understand? They are comparing a whole you with other amateurs. Do you know why? Those amateurs, they gave them just normal butterfly dress. They made it and it was very, very nice. Now they gave you a clothes. You want to prove that you are the best in the whole world. You go and choose a very difficult style that will be very difficult for you and you go and make it. There is error. Now, to tell you the truth, that amateur is better than you. Do you understand? So whenever you want to deliver for your customer, please don't go for the most complex. Don't go for the hardest. Go for the one that is also very... I'm not saying you should go for something that is not good for your customer because it's simple on you. No. Go for something that is very good and something you can deliver. Remember, you're a professional. So you must know how to deliver something that is very, very nice. Do you understand? Go for that particular one. That is the secret. Don't go for something that will, scatter your brain. Don't go for something that will make your customer, not want to come back again. That is my opinion for this example number 2. So if you actually gain something from this, you already know what to do. Make sure you follow us. Make sure you like this video. And also, make sure you get our book, The Perfect Dress Cutting Guide. I've talked about this book before. If you are on TikTok, make sure you click on the first link. That first link, the book is The Perfect Dress Cutting Guide. It's going to guide you and teach you how to cut very well, so that you will not go and be looking for style to choose for your customer. So that any style they bring, you can be able to cut it. Do you understand? Okay. Then if you want to get the hard copy and not in Nigeria, please, we have Amazon link. Make sure you DM us. We are going to give you the Amazon link. You will get the book. They will drop it in front of you as like this. Win. Do you understand? And also, For those of you that when you get this book, make sure you DM me. I'm going to add you to our Telegram group where we have a whole lot of videos. These videos that are in Telegram group, if I sell it separately, it's worth more than 200,000. I promise you, those that knows about this book or those that are in my Telegram group already can testify in the comment section. I don't do things that you will regret. I do things that you will never regret. In fact, they are thanking me, Johnson, for adding them in that particular group. It's free of charge. It's only my book I'm selling to you. Then at the end of the day, I add you for that group free of charge. Do you understand? Just for you to, assimilate very, very well. Thanks and may God bless you. I love you guys. Bye for now.